Hey. Hi, pretty girl. Oh. You see that face? See, it wasn't so bad. Your next birthday's so much better, though. Cake and ice cream. Makes everything better. I am going to call somebody about this sink. It's not draining like I want it to. Oh, I know that tickles. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I know, sweetness. I know. Jerry, sorry. I know, but I gotta make sure you're dry. That's the rules. Okay. Yeah, tell me.